So what is the DeepSeek R1's hardware requirements? So a lot of people get confused, 1.5B, 7B, 8B, 14B, what is this? It's so confusing. I mean, is this a secret Konami code or something? Well, I just want to tell you that this is very easy once you know it. So the higher the parameters, the better quality answers you're gonna get from DeepSeek R1. But the only downside to that is that you're gonna need a much stronger computer and memory to power that bad baby up. So which one do I use then? Well, let's start with 1.5B. Basically 1.5B is like the lowest one you can go to, and that's actually pretty small also, and it works pretty fast on most computers nowadays. If you want to use 1.5B, then you want to have at least like 8 gigabytes of RAM, and you want like a CPU that's no older than 10 years old. You might still be able to use it even if you have like a older hardware. So what are you guys doing? Get a new PC now or delete your System32 cause your PC is trash. So for the 7B and 8B model, these are gonna be the most common models that people are gonna use for DeepSeek R1. It's highly recommended you get at least 6 gigabytes of VRAM or higher. That way you'll be able to run it pretty quickly, but at the same time you'll get like a decent quality response considering how small the thing is. So if you want to use 14B, then you're gonna need 16 gigabytes of VRAM or higher. That's the recommended amount. But let's say you're a bit more ambitious and you want to select the 32B, then the requirements for that is 24 gigabytes of VRAM or higher. But that's gonna be pretty hard to get for most people unless you are loaded with money. And then for those crazy people that are so ambitious and they want the 70B model, then you get the 48 gigabytes of VRAM or higher. Please keep in mind you might be able to run these higher B models with lesser VRAM, but it's gonna work very slowly, and sometimes it just wastes too much time and it's just not worth all the hassle. And then we got the most handsome model of them all, the complete 671 billion parameters one. So this one needs a whopping 480 gigabytes of VRAM or higher. So for 99.9% of you guys will not be able to handle this amazing model. It's so much power you need. You're most likely gonna need a server PC and a lot of graphics card to run this sort of beast. So this is the DeepSeek R1 hardware requirements. If you're interested in installing DeepSeek R1 locally and downloading it locally and running it locally, then watch this video right now or I'm gonna spank you like your mom, and that's not gonna be nice.